Now in this video we will study about hook. Now as you can see in this assembly diagram, this is the part hook. Now how it actually looks like we'll see in this video. Now this is the actual diagram of hook that we are going to use it in our design, and this is the design which is the most commonly used in each and every crane. Now we'll see about its manufacturing process, how hooks are made. Now hooks are generally made by forging process, though it is a die forging or a press forging. Now to shape it, we have a particular hammers, or we have particular tools which we use it to shape it perfectly, like whatever we have seen in the previous diagram. And in case of a press forging, which is one of the most commonly used forging for large section of metals, which uses hydraulic press also to squeeze it, and by using all these things we make the hook section like this. Now we'll see about the various shapes of hook. Now again, as per the design, the hook design changes. So uh, though we have a most commonly used one for the particular cases, we could have these types of hook. Now out of this, again, this is most commonly used, after that the previous one. So these are few types of hooks. Those are used in the practical applications. Thank you.